Hello, this is Josh from Advanced Camping, bringing you another video tour. This one of a nicely pre-owned, just in 2018 Minnie Winnie from Winnebago, of course. It's a 322M model. You have the nice big 6.8 liter V10 engine on board, so quite a hefty engine. It has a rear slide out in the bedroom, lighted power awnings, backup cameras, heated holding tanks for 4-season use, all kinds of goodies. So yeah, let's kind of get into some. First of all, I guess, would be the fiberglass front cap. Winnebago isn't the only to use this, but I am glad Class C manufacturers have gone to this, where it's a one-piece fiberglass front cap there. As in the past, that's where Class C's would leak by far and away the most often, was that sort of front cab over there, and that's a one-piece hard piece of fiberglass. So I like that they've done that. That's a nice plus. And going along the side, it has a very nice graphic pattern, nice color. It's not just white like every other RV out there. Has a little bit of color and a little bit of style to it. And you do have your lighted power awning here. You still have a little porch light too, so between the awning light and the porch light, you're gonna get plenty of lighting out here, which is kind of cool. Looks like there's an output for a TV, and yeah, you're gonna have some plug-ins there. So if you wanted to set a TV outside and watch the game, if you were tailgating or something, that would be absolutely perfect. Walking around here, we'll do a quick walk around. And yeah, you're going to see the backup camera in the rear here. You'll see the ladder up to the walk-on roof. The slide-out has a slide-out awning on it, which is nice. You don't have to go up there and scrape off all the tree droppings or snow or what have you. When you bring it in, it'll just get rid of all that, so that's a nice plus. So, take a look inside our Minnie Winnie. Love that name. Minnie Winnie. Here we go. Going in. A nice big grab handle here. Very secure. Okay. So we're going to walk in sort of to our dinette area here. Very nice upholstery. Again, 2018. About 12,000 miles. So it's very lightly used. And you can really see that in the upholstery and really in everything in here. There's no water damage, no leaks, no delamination or anything like that. Everything's in great shape. You have central air, central heat. Again, we talked a little bit about the tank heaters for 4-season use. We also have an inverter in here, going to be about 1,000 watts for things like televisions. Those are fairly low wattage things that you could run right off the battery. It does have, of course, a generator built in, but the nice thing is if you're stopped along the side of the road, just wanted to maybe watch some TV as you fell asleep, you could simply turn the inverter on and get 110 power right from the batteries. So it has that built in as well, which is definitely a nice touch. You can see our kitchen area here. Dual sinks, 3-burner stove, oven, microwave. Gonna have our monitor panel here. Control panel, basically. It's gonna kind of turn everything on and off. Let's take a look at the front end here. So we have our cab over. And yeah, we're gonna have our swivel TV here. That looks like it pulls out and articulates. Sure does. And so yeah. Even if you're on the dinette over here, that'll pull out and sort of face this way. So if you're eating by the dinette here, you can still absolutely see the TV. It does come with a DVD player as well. So that's built right into the TV. You have a TV antenna for local channels. Of course, a lot of people are getting into streaming now too. So you can get a hotspot in here if you wanted, no problem. That's what a lot of folks are doing now. So just to check out the cab here too, this is on our Ford 350 chassis. Again, 6.8 liter V10, so it's your big boy. Does have heated extended mirrors there, which is always a nice touch. So backup camera is going to be, right on that screen in the middle there. So you'll have good visibility. And nice cherry wood all throughout. Quite nice. And a little bit of extra storage here. And the storage throughout wherever they can put it. There's going to be our built-in refrigerator, an cold refrigerator. It's going to be gas or electric. Check out our master bedroom. Really cool. We have that another articulating television right up there in the bedroom here. Here's where our slide out is, so it really adds that master bedroom feel. There's a lot of kind of room in here. If we come in for just a second, you kind of have a wardrobe already built in. Oh, very deep actually. Yeah, quite deep. So that's going to be a nice touch. Really do have a proper master bedroom and bathroom, which is very nice. You have the glass shower doors. You have a little skylight up above there for us taller folk and to just add a little more natural light in here. Porcelain bowl foot flush toilet. We have a little bit of storage over here. Sink, vanity, a little bit of storage underneath, maybe for towels and such. But all in all, very nice. Quite spacious in there, even for a bigger guy like me. So yeah, very nice. And then what I do like is, this part isn't on a slide out. So this is going to stay the same no matter what you do. So it's going to stay like this when you're on the road, which is why a lot of people buy Class C's, of course, is so that they can use it or, bring people along, kids, etc., friends, and have them have a comfortable place to be while they're driving. And you certainly have that here versus RVs with slide outs. They're going to be sort of way in here and almost unusable when you're actually on the road. So the only thing that really needs that slide out being out is the master bedroom. You can still use that master bedroom with the slide out in. It's going to be a little tighter, of course, but sort of your main living area here and sleeping area up top is going to be sort of untarnished by slide outs. So that's going to be a nice touch. I kind of like that idea too. And so yeah, this is our Mini Winnie here, 2018. About 12,000 miles, so in very good condition, nothing wrong with it at all. Again, my name is Josh. If you're at all curious about pricing, please check out our website at advancedcamping.com. Everything lately is selling within hours, so please feel free to send an internet lead to me, or you can give me a call and ask for me at 414-281-6330. And if you like this video and want to see more, please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and have a great day.